This is Dave, and I am doing a piece this week for Nate's Lab Challenge for the month of, I think it's either January or February, I don't know. But it is all about the heart. So it's in celebration of upcoming holiday, upcoming day, Valentine's Day. And I've already got started. I said, oh, geez, you have to put on the camera. So you caught me at mid-heart. And what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to do my best to do a single pole collage. And the single pole collage is a challenge. It's a new thing for me, and I'm doing my best to kind of learn it. But what I've done here is I put down the heart. It's modeled. It has so far 3 colors in there. There's transparent iron oxide, red iron oxide. There's ruby and quinacridone red. So I have already put down the 3 colors there. This is a combination of my pad over here of paints that I have, and I'm just gonna do a little bit more work with this. I don't necessarily want it to be a nice and neat heart. I really kind of don't want it to be a nice and neat heart. Kind of want it to be a little more abstract. So that's my plan, and I'm going to get started here, get a little bit more done, and see what I can do to make this work. How much I do as far as collage work, as far as adding, the things that, like, papers and what have you. That's going to come on, make itself known. I've got plenty of papers here to work with. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, well, I think I'm going to call this. I don't feel it's done yet, but I'm going to let it have a break, and I'm going to come back maybe later and do some more texture here. What you've seen here is my piece for Nate's Art Lab for the month of February, I believe, and I hope that you'll stick around to see who's up next in the collab. And basically, the instructions for this was to include a heart. Now, my intention originally was to make my heart a little less prominent, but I didn't succeed in that. But I did get some texture, I did get some depth. That was a last minute, and I'm going to work on that a little bit more. Um, but that's what I have for now. So, well, thank you very much for being here, and hope that you got something out of this. If you could, if you found it worthy, give me a thumbs up. Maybe leave a comment because it really does help the algorithm. And if you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. And I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.